Sattnava surge module replacement. Unscrew all 6 screws. Gently pull up the module. To remove thimbles, use a slight left-right motion while pulling. Repeat this for all wires. You can also use pliers to help with pulling them out. Now to replace the new module, note: the module should be placed so that the cable is on the right side and positioned between the two sockets in this orientation. The upper two thimbles should be at the corners. Top right corner is for red wire. Top left corner is for black wire, bottom right corner blue wire, bottom center is for yellow wire. It's recommended to place a thick cloth in your left hand. Start by connecting the blue wire. If it feels tight, try a gentle left-right motion while pushing it in. Next, connect the yellow wire. Then red wire. And finally the black wire. It's advisable to follow this method. First blue, then yellow, then red, then black. Roll the module back into its place. Push the wire slightly to maintain spacing between them. Close the back cover and screw everything back in place. Your surge module has been successfully replaced.